Prophecies and Revelations, November 24, 2012. Revelation, November 23, 2012, 3:37 p.m. Elemental disaster is determined on eastern USA in a manner that will cause residents to remember and acknowledge God. Revelation, November 20, 2012, 2:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In a vision, the Lord reveals a very large trough-like pan overfilled with water, or a large dam-like structure overcome with water. This structure seemed to be heavenly, as it is high up in the sky, hovering over a cluster of countries or islands on a map. The water is seen overflowing, drenching them with water. Simultaneously, a large, heavy, long beam-like structure is seen coming from the west side of the islands, lining up with them, and then appears to move towards the islands to knock them or shift them to the right. Interpretation: major flood and earthquake loom at a group of islands and neighboring countries. November 24, 2012. A very destructive snowstorm is seen coming to the northeast USA with a lot of wind. The wind picks up materials off the ground. There is what appears to be sand blowing. The appearance of desolation thereafter is evident. November 24, 2012. Darkness is seen. Gross darkness upon the Americas. The people are in prayer for God to turn on the light. They pray in the dark. Some people are trapped on the highway. Cars are somehow hindered from going forward. People are scared. Others are trapped in the house. Revelation, November 24, 2012.